Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. This is just an Opus video today. Just a really quick one to show you guys what we've done to make this bed comfortable, because the standard one is like laying on concrete. You may as well just lie on the floor. We've just gone to 40 Winks and bought the Millie gel infused 50mm mattress topper. Feels pretty comfy. We spent 5 hours last night with the mother-in-law. Check out my Crocs, got some flash new ones. Spent like 5 hours last night with the mother-in-law cutting out the mattress and re-sewing it and all that. First time using a sewing machine. I've got evidence, I'll put that up right here. So just going to show you guys how it fits. Hopefully it closes up nice with the trailer, and I'll give you our honest opinion on whether it's worth the money or not. It's on sale at the moment, 30% off in the financial year sale. 280 bucks instead of 400. You can get a custom made mattress, inner sprung mattress for these for 550 apparently, according to the Opus page. So hopefully this is worth almost the same money. We'll soon find out. Right, so this is the mattress on. It is originally a queen size, so it finishes about here. Check out my daddy Crocs. So we had to chop it. So we pulled the cover off because this is a removable cover. Cut the meshing bag that the mattress is in, stitched that back up to the shape that we needed, and then cut this as well. It was my first time sewing, so I actually had a bit of fun, and the mother-in-law showed me how to sew, didn't she, Kerry?
Yeah.
What do you reckon?
I approve.
You're the certified bed tester, so that still looked quite solid. So this topper, what it's done is it's changed it from like pretty much a firm mattress to, I'd say, what do you reckon, a medium? It's probably a medium. It's definitely not a soft mattress, so if you're expecting a soft, you'll be disappointed.
That thick thing anyway.
But yeah, it's more of a medium mattress, which is how I like to sleep anyway. Kerry likes the soft one.
I can handle this though. Yeah,
we just had to try something. We're going to do an overnighter during the week, and we'll let you know how it goes. But pretty stoked with it. The main test is going to be whether this actually packs up nicely or not. That's what I'm worried about. So if you see me looking angry, it's probably because it's quite tight to pack back up, but I think should be fine because everyone on the Opus page reckons 50mm toppers work alright. So let's see how that goes. Right, so it still actually packs up pretty well. Sorry, bubble. Alright, so it still actually packs up pretty well. It does, you definitely notice that you have to put a little bit more effort in to get it shut. What I have found with the Opus is the same thing I basically do with my kite surfing gear. If you just loosen off your first tang, so go off a few threads, like a fair bit, hook it on, leave those two off obviously, but when you're first closing it, just hook this one on but make it loose. And just leave it for 30 seconds. And I found that if you do that, it just lets all the rest of the air, which was trapped, escape. Because obviously you're putting pressure on all the tubes now, so it'll just be forcing its way out of the holes. And then go around to the other side, leave that one tight, and when you clip that one on, it should all close up easier. But yeah, I don't try and rush the closing thing. I'll just wind that out, latch it so it's still got a gap there for all the air to escape, leave it for 30 seconds to a minute, and it's 10 times easier that way. I did watch a video on packing up which someone recommended shutting off the valve to the annex and draining the air out of the annex first and then draining the tent, and I'm a big fan of that technique. I did just try and open the valve up after the annex was drained then too, so I didn't have to open it after we wanted to inflate it again, but that didn't work because the whole tent then fell this way. So I close off the annex to tent valve, drain the annex. Once all the air's out of the annex, I then walk around the other side and drain the tent, and then the tent falls down nice and flat instead of pushing one side to the other. So that's another little tip that I've found. But yeah, we'll give you an update on how this mattress actually goes on a proper overnighter. Got a sweaty forehead and it's sunny as, but thanks for watching guys. Hopefully this helps someone. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Catch ya.